Hello guys and welcome to the full documentary of the 21st to 22nd of September 2024 thunderstorms outbreak. Well, it starts with both of those days having very high risks for some severe thunderstorms, and that was indeed right, as when Saturday came there was some high risks for some thunderstorms. The day started pretty warm, however there was lots of clouds in the sky and storms that began to form not far into the morning. They formed out of nowhere, and at first they were just tiny mini blobs of rain on the radar, nothing special, but then they turned into massive thunderstorms and they began heading north with lots of lightning in, and they began to produce hail as well. And in person, immediately, you could see cumulus clouds shooting upwards as these storms began to grow and strengthen, and they looked absolutely amazing in person. But if you were actually in them, it was not amazing for you. It was utter chaos. As you can see here, it began to turn into a cumulus nimbus. As you could tell, this was a big thunderstorm with lots of rain. Well, as the day got later and later, more and more thunderstorms were popping off, getting larger and larger each time, with heavy rain and lots of lightning. Well, nearer towards the day, once most of the thunderstorms had pushed north, there was now overnight thunderstorms beginning to push in, with lots of heavy rain and lightning beginning to pop off rapidly. And that brought the end to the 21st of September intense thunderstorms. And if you thought they were crazy, now came the 22nd of September, where the thunderstorms going to be worse. Well, the day started out with higher chances for more severe thunderstorms and lots of heavy rain. And in person, the day started out with lots of cloud, almost seeming like it was going to be an overcast day. Well, glimpsing through the vast clouds, there were some cumulus clouds visible. And this was just the start, because on radar you could see some massive cumulus clouds as there were some severe thunderstorms beginning to develop. And as they developed, they headed north and strengthened.
Wow, we may have another chance of a thunderstorm. Just take a look at this system that is about to arrive. The heavens have just opened. They could be opening again, though. There is a chance there could be some thunder or lightning inside this. Because right now, some weather sources say we are currently getting isolated thunderstorms. And the only storm hitting us this hour should be this system here, which is beautiful. Looks really bad, storm-wise. Keep thinking I can hear faint rumbles of thunder. So I'm just going to keep an eye on the storm. Because just that is insane. And I know heavy rain is going to be coming soon. So this is mad. Just wow. Oh my gosh. That could be either heavy rain or wall cloud there. I think that could be a wall cloud, which means there could possibly be some tornado formation there. Don't know for sure, but it looks like heavy rain's about to be coming down.
And as the thunderstorm began to arrive, a shelf cloud was becoming visible, which was hinting at a big thunderstorm.
Oh, we're going out in a storm, guys. Oh my goodness. Is that a tornado? Oh my goodness.
Well, the thunderstorms began to arrive in my location, and they were at their max strength with really heavy rain and lots of hail and lightning.
Oh my goodness. Oh, it's just outside in this. Lucky I've got back in time. Oh my god. It just got what? The rain just calmed down. What? What? Why did the rain just calm down? What? Oh! Oh my goodness! What is going on? Oh! Look at that! We can about to get hit by something. The way the rain calmed down. is crazy. This is like a crazy storm system. Oh, this is mad. It's like it's just come down out of nowhere. We'll surely get that to get hit by something. Can't believe the rain stopped out of nowhere. Look, but look, we're about to get hit by that. And that looks like heavy. Oh my god, do you hear that? Do you hear that? Oh my god! Oh! Oh! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness me! Oh, what the? Oh! Oh my goodness! The rain is coming down! Torrential rain! Oh! Oh my goodness me! Oh! Oh! Oh my god! Oh gosh! Oh my goodness! This is pure madness! Holy! Holy! What is going on? Oh my goodness me! What is going on? Oh! Oh! Yo! Oh my goodness! This is proper chaos! Holy! Oh! Oh! This is torrential downpours! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness, guys! This is crazy! What is going on? Oh! Oh! This is pure chaos! Unbelievable! I've never seen anything like this before. This is crazy! Holy what? Oh my goodness me! Whoa! Is that a tornado? Maybe. Oh my goodness! And then what's that over there? Holy! Oh my goodness! We're about to get hit by even more rain. Final clouds are forming. Look at that! Oh! Oh my goodness! This is like crazy. Oh my goodness! This is pure madness. Holy! Oh my goodness! Look at that! Oh! It's about to come down really bad. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. Oh! Rain has come down a bit. It does look like we're about to get hit by something heavy. Over there. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that. Look what we're about to get hit by. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. Like, that come out. Like, we knew we were going to get hit by something big. But, like, I didn't know that chaos was going to happen. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's like really heavy over there. The rain come to a stop basically. 24 millimeters.
However, when I did look towards the southwest, the skies had abnormally darkened, and I knew something wasn't right as the wind began to pick up.
Also, it's pretty windy. Whoa. Oh my god. What are we about to get hit by?
Now, my eyes turn to the southwest of the storm to see the clouds really low down to the ground. and as the wind was picking up, I knew something wasn't right. And as the storm continued to move north, something was forming in the back end of the system. The storm was beginning to rotate, and something big was going to occur soon. The rotation would continue to move north with the storm towards the M1 motorway, where the tornado touched down. And as people were currently on the motorway and it was busy, there was bound to be some destruction. Destruction over the M1 motorway. Well, the tornado will continue moving north towards heavily populated Luton. This would be the biggest place on the tornado's path. The storm would continue to cause havoc while moving north. However, the tornado did eventually lift, but not before causing damage to the heart of Luton. Lots of damage included trampolines being lofted into the air, roof tiles being thrown everywhere, and bins being lofted into the air. And there was also tremendous flooding due to torrential downpours throughout the storm, and cars are submerged underwater, and these sights here, these pictures, are still shocking to look at. Even though the tornado lifted, the thunderstorm continued to empty heavy rain on the Luton and south of Luton area around like London.
We are now outside in the storm. We get an inside look, well, at a storm. Yes, this was shocking. Look at this flood. Look at this flood. Oh my God. This is not going to be good, guys. Down the road. Oh my gosh. Torrential downpour here. Drain flooded. The road is completely flooded. Just look how crazy this is. Oh, oh my God. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is really bad. Oh my gosh. I'm getting soaked. Look at this. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at this. My head is dripping. Look at this. The road's gonna flood. Oh my gosh. This is chaos. There's so much water. No way. Oh, this is really bad. Thunder! Oh! Did you hear that? Listen. Oh! Oh! Did you hear that? Thunder! Look at that giant storm. It just produced a rumble of thunder that was actually pretty loud. This is shocking. Wow. Oh! Did you hear that? Can you see this? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's flooding. Like absolute madness. Oh my gosh. Are you seeing this? Oh my gosh. Oh! Oh my gosh. I'm outside in a thunderstorm. This is pure chaos. Oh my goodness, I'm dripping in water. This is crazy. Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. There's so much water. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh. 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 Water is really bad. Oh my gosh. Look over there. Oh, look at that. The drain is flooded. Oh my goodness. There's waves. The car is almost underwater. Half of the hill is the wheel is underwater. The water come on land. This is absolutely crazy. Oh my gosh. This is really high water. Got to be careful when cars come by because all the water comes on land. But this is water that's come from that river there. This is crazy. Oh, see look, all the water's coming down over here. I know, a car. Oh look, it's full. Oh! Oh! Oh look! Whoa! It's going down the drain. Oh my gosh.
Well, as the day got later, the storm continued to move north and produced more lightning as it kept its strength. And that makes the end of the 21st and 22nd of September thunderstorm outbreak in the UK.